Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. First of all, import your images or videos in Camtasia Studio. There are same process to remove green screen in Camtasia Studio 8 or 9. Now drag them in layer. Adjust images or videos in layer. You can also use some PNG images for make it more realistic. Now select green screen video layer. Go to visual properties. Then remove color. I have already selected a color. Just go to select color. Then click on your video which type of color you want to remove. Now adjust some remover color. You can also use a lens for make it more beautiful. Our project is ready. Now to render your project, just click on produce and share, select a resolution and then hit finish. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.